Welcome back to Lab Cyber. Now, apparently, everybody's favorite, most dangerous AI model, Claude Mythos Preview, has made the news yet again. Now, according to this article from TechCrunch, a group of unauthorized users has reportedly gained access to Mythos, the cybersecurity tool recently announced by Anthropic. It also says here that Bloomberg has reported that a private online forum, the members of which have not been publicly identified, has managed to gain access to the tool through a third-party vendor. Now, I do want to spend some time to talk about this issue with third-party vendors because you see, back in 2020, during the COVID era, I did a lot of remote risk management for several companies. And out of the 11 companies I worked with, only 3 of them actually had a reasonable risk management program for their third-party contractors and vendors. The remaining 8 either had no program or their existing program was underwhelming. And this is a major issue with a lot of organizations around the world. You see, they will have this fantastic internal security policy and security program, and they will have one of the best risk management programs internally. But somehow they end up forgetting that, oh, we also need to have a risk management program for the third-party contractors and vendors with whom we share access and data with. Somehow they always seem to forget that. Now, last week, when Anthropic announced, Claude Mythos, and they said, it's so dangerous, we can't release it to the public. Instead, we're going to create Project Glasswing and restrict access to Mythos to a select few companies. These companies are right here. I said that on the surface, it sounds kind of like a good idea, but how practical is it? Because eventually, at some point, Claude Mythos will leak. Access to Claude Mythos will eventually leak either deliberately or accidentally. That's the issue with creating technologies like Claude Mythos Preview. Once that technology exists, it's going to become very difficult to restrict access to it. It's far better to not even create that technology in the first place. And it turns out right now that this group of unauthorized users, they gained access to Claude Mythos through the third-party vendor. Now, there hasn't yet been an official statement from Anthropic about this story, and that's actually why I delayed making this video. I was hoping to hear from them. They haven't yet released an official statement. Maybe in the next few days they will, but they've had their spokesperson make some claims that, that the people who gained access to Claude Mythos Preview, they didn't actually do anything malicious with it. They say right here that the group in question is interested in playing around with new models, not wreaking havoc with them. So Anthropic are claiming that this group of individuals and this private online forum, even though they gained unauthorized access to Claude Mythos, they didn't actually do anything malicious with it. Now, obviously, I'm not going to believe everything that they say. I guess it's only a matter of time before we learn whether what they claim is true or false. And again, that's the issue with creating technologies like Claude Mythos Preview. One way or the other, it's going to leak out to the public. You will have a group of unauthorized users, hackers, who will gain access to Claude Mythos Preview eventually. And if Claude Mythos is half as powerful as Anthropic are claiming it is, then that's going to be a serious problem. Now, when I made the initial video talking about how powerful Claude Mythos Preview was, I had people commenting that, oh, this is just Anthropic, exaggerating things, okay? Not just on YouTube, also on LinkedIn as well. A lot of people were skeptical to believe Anthropic. They believe that Anthropic was simply exaggerating the power of Claude Mythos Preview to simply raise their market value. Now, that of course sounds logical. I'm not going to fault you if you think that way, but I am inclined to believe that Claude Mythos Preview is quite possibly just as powerful as Anthropic are claiming it to be. Because if Claude Mythos Preview is a myth and it's not as powerful as Anthropic are claiming it is, then why do we have Project Glasswing in the first place? Why is it that companies like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, the Linux Foundation, why would these companies join hands with Anthropic and saying that, we can't release this technology to the public, it's way too powerful? Like, if Claude Mythos Preview wasn't powerful, I don't think these companies will join Anthropic in Project Glasswing. Also, a story that I completely missed, it turns out that the NSA are using Anthropic's Mythos despite the blacklist. If you're not familiar with what happened, apparently with the war in Iran, the US military, they did use Claude to select targets and make some other kinds of decisions. And Anthropic weren't happy about this. They voiced the displeasure publicly. And the Trump administration didn't take kindly to that. They said, you know what? Because, Anthropic aren't supporting us, we're going to put a ban on them. So we're going to ban all government agencies and contractors from using any products from Anthropic. But despite Claude being blacklisted, you have the NSA using it. And even right here as well, they say that the UK's AI Security Institute has also confirmed it has access to Mythos. So again, if Claude Mythos Preview isn't as powerful as Anthropic are claiming it is, then again, why do you have all these companies? Why do you have the NSA? Why do you have the UK's AI Security Institute? Why do you have all these powerful organizations in their own right using Claude Mythos? It doesn't make any sense to me. I don't think that the powers of Claude Mythos Preview are exaggerated. I don't think so. I think it's really just as powerful as Anthropic are claiming it is. But hey, if you think I'm wrong, if you have alternative opinion, I'd love to hear from you. I'll put your comments down in the comment section below. So that's it for today's video. Again, Anthropic right now are claiming that, oh, these individuals, they didn't use Claude Mythos for anything malicious. I'm not going to believe them. I guess in a few days, we will learn whether what they're saying is actually true or not. But hey, this is just a start. Eventually, at some point, you are going to have malicious users who will gain unauthorized access to Mythos and will actually use it for malicious purposes. I think it's just a matter of time. So I will keep monitoring the situation when there are new developments, especially if Anthropic release an official statement. I might end up making a follow-up video to this one. But that's it for the video. Do let me know what your thoughts are. If you're new here to the channel, welcome to Lab Cyber. My name is Alex. I discuss all things AI and cybersecurity. So if you do enjoy content like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Stay safe out there, and I'll talk to you next time. Cheers.